Hi there, meet Carl. Carl is a coral. Corals are marine animals that can live in large colonies, creating the building blocks of our ocean's reef ecosystems. Healthy corals live in symbiosis with many other organisms, some of which are crucial to their survival. Right now, Carl has no symbionts, leaving him sad and lonely in the great wide ocean. One of the most important symbionts that corals need are algae, known as zooxanthellae. Zooxanthellae live in the tissue of corals. In return for protection, the algae gives the coral nutrients through photosynthesis. Algae are also the source for corals' beautiful colors. Carl doesn't only provide protection though, he also needs it himself. Corals are coated in a highly complex and diverse bacterial community, which is not only species, but also location dependent. The bacterial community, called the microbiome, plays an important role in coral immune protection and pathogen resistance. Together, these relationships create the holobiont of a healthy and happy coral. Corals have many other symbionts too. Crabs, shrimp, and small fish rely on the coral as shelter to help keep them safe from predators. Unfortunately, humans have a strong impact on these fragile relationships and can damage them. Anthropogenic impacts such as temperature increase, pollution, and ocean acidification can cause the breakdown of symbiosis. One of the most studied impacts on coral community is temperature change, which causes the loss of algae from coral tissue. This event is known as bleaching. Corals receive about 90% of their nutrients from algae, so when the algae leaves, the coral is left behind to fend for itself and may eventually starve. Luckily, many scientists are trying to understand how these coral relationships are created, maintained, and lost to try and help save them. The more we know about corals and their symbionts, the better we can predict coral community responses to these problems and hopefully prevent mass mortality. Healthy reefs lead to healthy ocean ecosystems, which can benefit human society. You too can do everyday little things to help the environment and help keep our coral communities whole and happy.